So, hello everyone, it is me. I know may or may not have already known about the new update, but yeah, one of the new updates that I absolutely am in love with is the new squirrels. They're so cute. I absolutely love it. And also, another thing that I literally have just realized is that I saw this on the front cover, like on the thumbnail, and I absolutely was in love with it. Like, there was just no way I wasn't gonna be. Why are you standing through my horse? No, shoot, man, shoot straight, man. But yeah, I just think that they're absolutely adorable. I mean, look at that face. But anywho, as I was saying, after they make a lot of racket, so. But I just realized is look at the hoof print sounds. You might not be able to hear, but it's like acting like something is there. You may or may not have realized, or may or may not can't hear it, but it sounds much more realistic than the other one. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it literally does. Oh, I never knew the cows were laying down. But, oops. But, it sounds more realistic than it did before. Okay. My mouse is, acting up a little bit. Oh, oops. My caps lock thing was on, and my mouse acts weird when it's on. I don't know why, but yeah. Also, I won't be posting much. I'm sorry, but I will be playing So Stable much more often than I have been since school. Fun fact, I only have one more day of school. And so does Naomi, because she goes to the same school as me. We only have one more day of school, and I am so happy for that. Because, I mean, we ended Spexlog, like, 4 days before you're supposed to, start getting school and stuff. But my only problem was Spexlog, and Spexlog is pretty. Who's calling me? Oh! Say hi, you're in my video.
Hello! Okay, we got our yearbook today. First graders, I think I just found it.
Oh my god, he looks like a demon! Okay, anywho, as I was saying, yeah, we finally finished Spexlog and we only have one more day of school, and bye!